New Use Payroll in QuickBooks Working is a comprehensive tool designed to streamline payroll processing for businesses. To get started, first ensure you have the latest version of QuickBooks installed on your system. Next, navigate to the Employees menu and select Payroll Settings to set up your payroll preferences. Here you will need to enter your company's payroll information, including pay schedules, pay periods, and employee details. It is essential to accurately input this information to avoid errors in payroll processing. Once you have set up your payroll settings, you can begin adding employees to the system. To do this, go to the Employee Center and select New Employee. Enter the employee's personal and payroll details, including their name, address, and tax filing status. After adding employees, you can process payroll by going to the Pay Employees menu and selecting the pay schedule you want to run. QuickBooks will guide you through the payroll process, prompting you to enter hours worked, bonuses, and any other relevant payroll information. It is crucial to regularly review and update your payroll settings to ensure compliance with changing tax laws and regulations. Additionally, taking advantage of QuickBooks payroll reporting features can help you track payroll expenses and make informed business decisions. Best practices for using New Use Payroll in QuickBooks include regularly backing up your payroll data, ensuring accurate and timely payroll processing, and staying up to date with the latest payroll tax tables and regulations. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently manage your business's payroll using QuickBooks.